Hello! Today I'm sharing a copycat recipe, Starbucks Strawberry Matcha Loaf. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and spray a 9 by 13 inch loaf pan with nonstick spray. In a large bowl, combine 2½ cups of cake flour, 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk to combine. When the dry ingredients are thoroughly mixed, make a well in the center. Next, we'll pour our wet ingredients into the dry. We need 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 2 large egg whites. Whisk until it is just mixed. Divide your batter in half. To 1/2, we'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of strawberry powder and some pink food coloring. Mix until it is just combined. To the other half of the batter, we'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of matcha powder and green food coloring. Mix until it is just combined. In your prepared loaf pan, alternate pouring batters. I started with strawberry, then matcha, then strawberry, and finally finished with the last layer of matcha. Bake for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn the oven temperature down to 350 degrees and continue to bake until a skewer inserted into the thickest part of the loaf comes out clean. This will take anywhere from 65 to 75 minutes. Cover with foil the last 20 to 30 minutes to prevent it from getting too brown. I put my foil on too soon, letting the steam out of the oven and created a slight divot in my loaf. It's still cooked though. Cool for 20 minutes in the pan, then invert it onto a wire rack to cool completely. For the strawberry icing, combine 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of strawberry powder, 2 tablespoons of buttermilk, and there are 2 optional ingredients. You can add 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract and a few drops of pink food coloring. Stir the ingredients together until smooth. Add milk to reach your desired consistency. Top your loaf with strawberry icing. There you have it, Starbucks Copycat Strawberry Matcha Loaf. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to stay up to date on my cooking adventures. Thanks for watching. See you next time.